So you've sprung a leak on your home here in Metro Detroit, and now you want to know, how long is this repair going to take? Well, that's what we're going to answer today and break down. We know we've been hit by a ton of severe summer Michigan storms here, and we have been bombarded with calls for repairs because, as you know, we are the leader in repair services for Metro Detroit with our in-house service department. So once our team comes out and actually diagnoses the problem, how long does the repair take start to finish on most residential homes? Simple answer, 1 day, often less than a day. But that's not always the case, and unfortunately Murphy's Law is real. So what would cause a repair to take longer than 1 day or a half a day as most repairs take? The number one factor, hidden rot or hidden damage that we could not see during our roof and attic inspection. When those unforeseen circumstances do appear, it's generally going to add time to the project. Sometimes it can add a day or two because we now need to secure additional materials to get your roof back into tip-top shape. The other reason is if your repair involves multiple trades. The most vulnerable areas on your roofing system tend to be where your roofing system meets another part of the home. So roof to walls, chimneys, things of that nature. And if it is going to involve multiple trades, meaning roofing and siding, roofing and gutters, shingle roofing and flat roofing, any of these are different teams and different services, which can result in multiple deployments and may require a multi-day repair. At the end of the day, the overwhelming majority of repairs are completed in a day or less, and that's what I would expect. It's important to always ask that question of your roofing contractor before approving your contractor. They will be able to give you accurate ideas on that. If you'd like our team's help in that money-back satisfaction guarantee on your repairs, we would love to help you. You can always give us a call at 586-566-0308 or skip the line and book online on our website at www.kanga-roof.com. If you found this beneficial, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And most of all, I hope you have a Kanga-rific day.